Get out of my nuts. It is so hazy out there, and it smells like smoke.
So this morning, I headed out to take care of a few things. What a beautiful, beautiful morning. It is like summer all over again. It is interesting to see the beautiful fall foliage. The colors are just amazing. I am still hauling my drinking water, and I don't know, I just can't seem to do without this water for now, but we'll see how things go once I start to travel. I will have to look for a new spring along the way. Hello, baby. All right, so I got a bigger truck. It's a 3/4 ton truck because I have some plans and I want a camper trailer on my truck. So this truck will handle the weight of a camper trailer, and yeah. The reason for getting a 3/4 ton truck is because I know it's going to handle the weight of a trailer, or I mean a camper for my truck. So when I do my travels, I want to feel safe. I don't want to have to worry about breaking down or something happening, and yeah. All right, and what I like is with the crew cab, there is much more room for Miss Snow in here. And I have a nice foam for Mademoiselle Snow, so she'll be nice and comfy. Hi, baby. You want to go for a ride? Oh my gosh. You got in. You're such a cute, sweet baby. Come on. Good girl. All right, so I am not sure what kind of camper I want to get to put on my truck. So I'm going to have to look around and see what will suit it best. If you guys have any suggestions, please let me know. That will help. And the die? Well, my truck is not clean because I have to drive in a dirt road for quite a ways, but it's all right. Oh my God. How cool is that? It doesn't get any better than this. Miss Snow, what's that smell? Oh, you scared it. Mommy's coming. Hello, little bugger. You're so cute. What you doing? Get out of my nuts, little bugger.
My, what big eyes you have. You've got big cheeks. You're so cute.
I think Miss Snow's gonna fight you for that steak. It is so hazy out there, and it smells like smoke. There must have been a fire somewhere because of the 3 planes from yesterday. It's so hazy, holy crap.
A few hours later, the smoke cleared up and I was able to continue my kayak ride and explore a little bit more. of this beautiful lake. I had seen just the one loon for the last few days while I kayaked, but this made me so happy to see the two together. Loons mate for life. When one loses a partner, they never mate again. Good luck, you guys, and I hope that you have a beautiful, long, happy life together.